Well, a Marion County judge has found a man accused of creating child pornography not guilty. And it's not because he didn't do it, but because the way he did it is beyond state law. Our Russ McQuaid examines how artificial intelligence is challenging law enforcement in their quest to protect Hoosier children.
Last year, we told you about the arrest of a man charged with 10 counts of child exploitation and child pornography. Because he was found not guilty, we can't tell you his name, but we can tell you what he was accused of and why a judge thinks that state lawmakers need to tighten up their laws when it comes to artificially created AI pornography. This probable cause affidavit alleges, quote, 2 images located on the man's phone depicted minor females. With use of an AI mirror program, he transformed the images to depict female teenagers to be nude.
When the allegation is that you are creating pornography or you are creating child pornography where you're taking images or AI images of kids, those individuals are still dangerous to our community.
The advent of AI technology, blurring the lines between what's real and what's virtual, was a challenge to Superior Court Judge James Osborn, who said, quote, I don't buy into the idea of that you pin somebody else's body onto a child and say that's not them. And we know that he knew that. And it should be against the law, and I imagine at some point it will be. But the judge said the problem is the current state law, quote, doesn't include language saying that he is aware of the child's age, and the prosecutor didn't charge him under the right part of the statute.
There's no case law to give us guidance. There's no Court of Appeals or Supreme Court opinion saying this is where free speech begins and this is where it ends.
The judge indicated perhaps state lawmakers may want to consider tweaking Indiana law to address AI imagery.
The law should not and does not distinguish between a live human and a AI-generated human. The point is, this is the image of some child, whoever that child is, with sexual contact occurring to a child. We will work to get to the solution there. And again, whether that's through the Indiana Attorney General, whether that's through the court system, the appellate process, or whether that's us tweaking the law next session, this will be done, and we'll figure it out. We'll get to the bottom of it, and we need to hold somebody accountable.
Freeman hopes the Indiana Attorney General will appeal the man's acquittal. Meanwhile, the man faces another related count, which the Marion County prosecutor is likely to dismiss so as not to face double jeopardy considerations. In the newsroom, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.